In this tutorial, I will show you the evil CPA marketing method with the help of which you will get your first online earnings. You will find out why is it called evil if you watch the whole video until the end. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. As you read in the title for today, we are going to present you the evil CPA marketing method. What is CPA marketing? For all those unfamiliar with this term, CPA stands for cost per action or acquisition. In translation, this means that companies will pay you every time you provide them with a specific lead, email address, or simply one click. A lot of you have written comments on whether a video can be made in which we will show you a method for online earnings with which we don't have to sell anything. So we will dedicate this video to such a strategy. This is the perfect strategy for all those who don't have enough resources to get started. And most importantly, it can be implemented from anywhere in the world, of course, as long as you have access to a computer, internet connection, and a PayPal account. The first step you want to take is to go to the CPA Lead platform. This is a CPA marketing platform that offers thousands and thousands of different CPA offers that you can promote. Links to all the platforms and websites mentioned in today's video will be pinned in the first comment of this video. When you get to the platform, you will open your account completely free of charge by clicking the sign up button. Then all you have to do is enter your first name, last name, email address and security question. You will receive a verification email where you just need to confirm your email address and then you can log in into your dashboard, which will look something like this. The next step is to go to a platform called Writely. What does this platform provide? It allows you to set up a CTA or call to action on almost any website. You will soon see how this platform will allow you to make your first money online for free. Click the Start a Free Trial button and don't worry, you won't have to enter your credit card information. You will enter your email and you will receive a return email that will look something like this. All you have to do is copy the code and paste it back into your account. Then you want to go back to the CPA Lead platform and click on the offers field. When you open it, you will see on the right all the offers you can promote, and as you can see, all these offers will pay you a different amount. At the top you have filters so you can easily choose your criteria according to which you want to find the offer you want to promote. For the purposes of the video, we will choose the United States, and as an offer, let's say Bridget gets $250. When we open the offer, we will see our affiliate link. We will copy it by clicking the copy button and return to the Writely platform. On the Writely platform, we will click the Create New Ad button and name the campaign. For example, CPA Money Ad 1. If you want, you can change the domain, but we will leave write.ly. And below you have the option to link your domain if you want to invest a few extra bucks and buy a domain that will be specific only for this campaign. Finally, just click the Add button. And now we come to the part and the title of the strategy that we mentioned in the intro. You don't want to select top or left or right, you want to select Evil Pop-up. Evil Pop-up means that when someone enters the site for which we have chosen this pop-up, an offer will pop up from the CPA Lead platform. We don't know why the creators of the Writely platform called it Evil Pop-up, but we know it will help you make your first money online. On the left you have pop-up settings. You want to set between 10 and 30 seconds when it comes to the appearance of this pop-up. For video purposes we enter 10 seconds. We will put custom in the preset and we want to write a custom message as the profile name. For example, congratulations, and you can add some emojis to make the offer look a little more engaging. Now pay attention, profile URL is your affiliate link from the CPA Lead platform. A link from the offer you have chosen to promote. Then you want to select profile picture. You can go to flat icon platform and type gift in the search bar and click download for free. For the description you want to write something that is related to your offer. And at the end we have a button text where you will type, for example, click here to claim it. And the button link is also our affiliate link. If you want to play with design, you can change the colors on the design tab. When you're done, click the done option. When you've completed all the settings for Evil Pop-up, you will go to Google and find related posts to your offer that you're promoting. For example, if you're promoting a gift card giveaway, you want to find as many blogs related to saving money as possible. Dedicate some time to this short research, and when you choose the blog that seems best to you, copy the URL of this blog post. Once we've copied this link, we will return to the Writely platform and enter the URL in the Enter Your Destination URL field, and instead of the default, we want to select the campaign we just created. And then you will click on the Create a Link with Add button, and we will get a link where when someone clicks, they will come to our blog post we choose and read about ways to save money, and after 10 seconds, Evil Pop-up will appear, and now they can see a big call to action in the middle of the screen, and if they want to participate in the giveaway, they will click on the Claim button, and when they leave an email address, you will be paid. All that's left for the end is to find a way we can bring traffic to this blog post with Evil Pop-up setup. One of the easiest ways to reach your target audience for this type of blog post would be to explore online forums related to making and saving money. So again, on the Google you can do research on the forums related to the offer you're promoting. One cool forum we found is the Beer Money forum. You can register for free and find tens of thousands of people talking about these topics. What you can do on these forums is to write, for example, "Hello, I'm not selling anything, I would only like to share a free article that can help you save a bit of money for free. You can read it by clicking on this link." Another popular forum site is Quora. That would be the first source of traffic you can use. The next free source of traffic comes to us from Facebook. You can easily search for Make Money groups on Facebook and join them and find tens of thousands of people in multiple groups. It's also the same principle as the forum. Join as many groups as possible and approach them by giving some value to the people in the group and letting them know that you're not selling them anything. The next free source of traffic comes to us from Facebook. You can easily search for Make Money groups on Facebook and join them and find tens of thousands of people in multiple groups. It's also the same principle as the forum. Join as many groups as possible and approach them by giving some value to the people in the group and letting them know that you're not selling them anything. That would be all for this amazing video. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about new different ways and strategies to make money online working from your home. Thanks everyone who watched this video. This is the beginning of an interesting and exciting adventure. If you want to be a part of it, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video, because that way we will reach more people and help the YouTube algorithm to rank our video. Until the next video, big greetings from our YouTube channel. Cheers!